$2,000 stimulus checks. Two words that light up the internet like fireworks, especially around the holidays. But this isn't the same broad economic impact payment you remember from 2020. And the truth about whether they're actually coming is far more complicated than most headlines suggest. Let's unpack the real story behind Trump's $2,000 stimulus check update, what's being proposed, what's actually happening, and what you must know if you're counting on cash in your bank account. Where the idea started. This all began when President Donald Trump and his administration floated the idea of giving Americans a tariff dividend, essentially a one-time cash payment of up to $2,000 per person, funded by revenue collected from tariffs on imported goods. Trump has publicly stated multiple times that he wants these payments to go out to working and middle-income Americans, especially as a form of relief against rising costs of living. But here's the first big truth. That idea is currently just a proposal, not a guaranteed payout. There is no law currently in place that authorizes this $2,000 payment. Congress has not passed any legislation, and the IRS has not scheduled any checks. So despite social media rumors and online speculation about checks hitting bank accounts before Christmas 2025, that's not confirmed. What the administration is actually saying. So where is this $2,000 idea right now? It's still evolving. Let's break down the current official stance. 1. Trump says he wants it. White House spokespeople have reiterated that Trump is committed to finding a way to give people tariff-based checks. 2. The Treasury is exploring options. Trump's economic team is reportedly looking at ways to use tariff revenue for rebates or tax breaks, but there's no finalized plan yet. 3. Treasury Secretary comments are mixed. At one point, the Treasury Secretary suggested that the tariff dividend might mainly take the form of tax reductions, not direct $2,000 checks. In other words, even within the administration, there's no clear consensus on how this would happen. Is it coming in 2025? Here's the big holiday question. Will Americans receive a $2,000 check in December 2025? Short answer: no, not officially. The IRS has confirmed there are no payments scheduled for the end of 2025. Right now, the timeline floating around comes from Trump's own public remarks, which suggest a possible rollout in 2026, potentially mid-year, not this holiday season. And that distinction matters. Rumors online claiming checks are on the way this December are speculative. There is no official IRS notification or legislative mandate confirming it. Why it's harder than it sounds? Why hasn't the $2,000 payment been locked in yet? Because two major hurdles remain. 1. Only Congress can authorize payments. The U.S. Constitution gives Congress the power to spend federal money. The executive branch can propose payments, but without legislation signed into law, the IRS can't just print extra cash. 2. Tariff revenue alone may not cover the cost. Economists and budget analysts argue that even if tariff collections are strong, they might not be enough to sustainably fund $2,000 payments to every eligible person, especially if expanded to include families with children. The Committee for a Responsible Federal Budget and other analysts warn that tariff receipts don't nearly match what would be needed for broad payouts without draining other parts of the budget. So even though Trump frames these as refunds or dividends, they would function a lot like the old stimulus checks and therefore require a law from Congress. Politics is at play. This update isn't just economic, it's political. With the 2026 midterm elections on the horizon, promises like $2,000 checks become powerful talking points. Trump and other Republican lawmakers are trying to position the tariff dividend as financial relief for middle-class families, framing it as direct action against inflation and economic stress. At the same time, some Republicans worry about inflation or rising debt if broad payouts go out without offsetting revenue. Meanwhile, Democrats have voiced skepticism, saying checks without income thresholds or deficit considerations could worsen long-term financial stability. This political tug-of-war means timing and approval are far from certain. Who might qualify for the $2,000 check? Let's get into the question everyone wants answered. If the $2,000 tariff dividend passes, who actually gets the money? Right now, the administration has floated early qualification ideas, none finalized, but all being discussed internally. 1. Middle-income workers would be the priority. Trump's team has repeatedly signaled they want the payment to focus on middle-class households, working families, people affected by rising prices. The idea is to mirror previous stimulus payments, but with a narrower target group. 2. Lower-income households may be included. This depends on revenue. If tariff collections are strong enough, the circle might expand to low-income single earners, seniors on limited fixed-income parents with dependents. 3. High-income earners likely wouldn't qualify. Early drafts suggest income caps. Nothing official, but past models capped payments around $75,000 for individuals, $150,000 for couples. Trump hasn't confirmed those numbers, but officials have hinted the program won't be universal. The key point? No eligibility list is final until Congress writes the bill. Right now, everything is still a proposal on paper, not a legally binding plan. How would the $2,000 be paid out? While the proposal itself isn't locked in, the mechanism likely would look familiar: direct deposit. Most Americans would receive payments automatically through the IRS, the same system used for previous stimulus checks. Paper checks for the unbanked. Roughly 5 million Americans without direct deposit info in the IRS database would receive physical checks. Prepaid debit cards. This method was used in 2021 to speed up distribution for some households. Portal updates through irs.gov. If the program passed, a government portal would open where people could update addresses, update bank info, check eligibility, track payment status. This infrastructure already exists, but IRS has not activated it for any 2025 to 2026 payments. When could these checks actually arrive? This is where speculation online becomes misleading. Let's get the timeline straight and grounded. December 2025, no checks. IRS confirmed nothing is scheduled for the 2025 holiday season. 2026, best case scenario. If Congress passes the program early in the year, the earliest realistic payment window would be June 2026 to September 2026. This matches the timeline reported by multiple outlets when analyzing tariff-based revenue distribution. Worst case scenario, if Congress stalls or if lawmakers fight over funding, the payment might be delayed to. Trump's $2,000 stimulus update is not fake, but it's also not approved. It's a proposal, a political priority, and a potential 2026 economic program. Tariff-based payments are real discussions happening right now behind closed doors in Washington. But unless Congress signs off, they stay discussions. No checks, no direct deposits, no IRS notifications. Not yet. The biggest mistake people are making is confusing intentions with legislation. And in Washington, nothing is real until it's written into law.